there, it's Tiana with True Financial Services coming at you with your true tip of the day. We are talking about one type of loan that you can use that offers a lower down payment and includes rolling renovation costs into the loan. Ladies, this is an awesome loan. So the 203K Limited allows you to roll up to $35,000 of renovation costs. Some of these costs can include exterior and interior paint, updating fencing, updating plumbing, possibly updating some roofing. The 203K Standard, which goes over $35,000, allows you to use those funds for larger projects like moving walls, reconstructing rooms, larger renovations. So this loan is an excellent loan when you're starting off and you need to roll in some cost to update a home. That is your true tip of the day.